This rock and rubber basketball court resurfacing project took place on the remote island of Anegada in the British Virgin Islands. Anegada has miles and miles of endless beaches and is home to the fourth largest barrier reef in the world, but it has no hardware store, so it makes completing any construction project very difficult. So you will see us loading our materials onto the barge and flatbed trucks, then transporting it from the dock in Anegada to the recreation grounds located in Anegada. These materials traveled all the way from Canada via trucks, ships, and barges and took approximately 8 weeks to arrive on site. Once we were ready to begin the project, it was our intentions to complete the prep in 3 days and then complete the installation of the rock and rubber in 7 days. We had great weather during the entire project and avoided any rain delays, which was great, and completed the project on schedule, only forgetting a few minor supplies which were easily put on the ferry from nearby Tortola when needed. After grinding out all the cracks in the existing concrete slab, we filled the cracks with a high-strength repair mortar, then grinded them flush with the concrete slab to ensure a level playing surface. We also used our surface cleaner and cleaned the concrete several times before the installation, and sanded and painted the basketball posts prior to the installation of the high-performance coating. On our first day installing the rock and rubber coating, we completed the keys first. Since it was our first day installing, it's always best to ensure the systems are running smoothly, the trowelers are getting a tight compaction of the material, and machinery is working well. Starting with a smaller pour is always best on the first day of an installation, so we started with the 2 keys using a blue EPDM rubber and a coral stone blend for approximately 450 square feet. There was also some areas in and around the keys that needed leveling during the installation of the rock and rubber, so this required more attention to detail than the other days, and we wanted to ensure we got it right. On the following 4 days, we installed the beige EPDM rubber mixed with the same coral stone blend for the remainder of the basketball court. Each section we installed in approximately 5 to 6 hours, and they were 12.5 feet wide by 106 feet long for a total of approximately 1,300 square feet for each of the 4 larger pours. For each mix, we mixed approximately 180 pounds of rock and rubber in the Columix mixer before transporting it with the wheelbarrow. On our 3rd day, the switch broke down on our mixer mid-pour and caused some issues and delays, but we were able to remove the switch on the fly and continue the pour and finish the 1,300 square feet before the sun set. We ended up removing and bypassing the switch the following day, but if you're going to do a large project like this, it's best to have a backup mixer on site or at a minimum replacement parts for the mixer readily available to avoid any potential downtime. On our final 2 days, we started painting the demarcation lines for both the basketball court as well as the volleyball court. We used Sport Court line paint from World Class Paints in the USA, and we were very pleased with the durability of the product. It bonded extremely well to the rock and rubber surface, dried fast, and with the duct tape we were able to get some very crisp, clean lines. Unfortunately, the tape machine we purchased was not the greatest, especially at a price of $350 plus shipping and duty. It gave us a lot of issues holding full rolls of duct tape, as it seems it was only designed to hold the blue painter's tape. For this granular surface, however, blue painter's tape wouldn't work, so we had to use duct tape and make some modifications to our $500 tape machine applicator, but in the end we made it work. This high-performance coating system was purchased from Rubberstone Global located in Canada, and we have been installing it for several years now with great success in the harsh Caribbean climates. If you want to become a dealer or get more information on their products, comment down below or check out their website at www.coveryourugly.com.